Okay, on the last page, Donna Joy's exercising on a hiking trail by her house. She ran 2/5 of a mile off a trail on Monday and then ran 1/3 on Tuesday. How much of the trail did she cover on those 2 days? So add those two together. 2/5 plus 1/3. Think about common denominators. I'm going to go with 15. 5 times 3, 2 times 3. 3 times 5, 1 times 5. So now we have 6 plus 5. Sorry, I just had 11/15 of the trail. And I'm going to put a box around it. Again, if you have something different than 11/15, maybe you have 22/30 or something, let me know. How did she run farther on Monday or Tuesday? So 2/5. So if I'm looking at 15/15, 6/15 is more, so that would be Monday. She ran more on Monday. And the last question, how much farther if this is more? So now we're going to go back to 6/15 and just easy peasy. Find the difference. Is 1/15 farther on Monday? All right, next one. Tanya ran 2/3 of a mile. Okay, so I'm thinking about what that looks like, 2/3 and 2/6 of a mile. And so estimate, choose the best estimate. I'm gonna go with right here. How far did she go? Okay, now they want you to add. So now we're going to add Tanya's 2/3 plus 2/6. And I'm going to say, oh, I know that for me, in my head, I'm thinking 2/3 plus 1/3, because I know this is 1/3, which makes 3/3, which means 1 mile. Look at all of those equal signs, 1 mile. When Danny solved this problem, he got 4/9 of a mile for his answer. Is this a reasonable answer? Why or why not? 4/9. Oh, so Danny. That's my son's name. He would never do this, but Danny added, this is an A, the numerators and denominators. So he did 2/3 plus 2/6. So he added 2 plus 2 to get 4, and he added 3 plus 6 to get 9. That's how he got his answer. Is this reasonable? No. He needs to add like denominators. Right? You can't just do that. You got to compare apples with apples and oranges with oranges. And when you do this, you have different denominators, so they're not the same. So when you do this and you change it, maybe over here, instead of 2/3 plus 2/6, maybe you make this into 6. And now you can compare them. So that would be times 2. 4/6 plus 2/6 is still 6/6, which is still 1, but you have to have the same denominator. All right, guys, that's it. Now, again, if you don't have the same answer as I do, but you feel like you do have the right answer, circle it with your pen. If you find now that you have the incorrect answer, I want you to do the problem over again in the red pen to show that you've learned from that mistake. Okay, thank you.